Hi friends, this is your A. Narsan. Today I have come up with a new lesson on direct and indirect speech. Today I have come up with a new lesson on direct and indirect speech. Let us read the first sentence. The teacher says, I teach English. The teacher says, I teach English. So yesterday we have learned few things about direct and indirect speech. In this sentence, what is your reporting verb? In the given sentence, what is your reporting verb? The reporting verb is says. What is the reporting verb? The reporting verb is says. What is the reported speech? I teach English is the reporting speech. So before changing the given sentence into indirect speech, we should focus on two things. What are those two things? Number one, your reporting verb and the type of the reporting speech. Type means what here? The type of sentence. So here the reporting verb is in simple present tense. Here the tense of the reporting speech is simple present tense. So you have a rule 1. What is that? If the tense of the reporting verb is either simple present tense, either present tense or future tense. Let me repeat. If the tense of the reporting verb is either present tense or future tense, no need to change the tense of the reporting speech. Let me repeat. If the tense of the reporting verb is either present tense or future tense, we need not to change the tense of the reporting speech. So because here the tense of the reporting speech is in simple present tense, we need not to change it. Clear? What? The tense of the reporting speech. So what is your first rule? Your rule 1 says what? If the tense of the reporting verb is either in present tense or in future tense, then the tense of the direct speech is need not to be changed. This is your first rule. What is your rule number 1? If the tense of the if the tense of the reporting verb is either in present tense or in future tense, then the tense of the direct speech is need not to be changed. Understood? So shall we write? Shall we change the given sentence in indirect speech? The teacher the teacher says. Clear? What is the type of this sentence? It is an assertive sentence. Remaining things as it is, you need not to change. Only one thing, you need not to change the tense of the reporting speech. remaining pronoun and other things you have to change accordingly, and you have to add what a connecting word. So because the given sentence is an assertive sentence or a declarative sentence, you need to add a connecting word. What is that connecting word? That. Here I means who? The teacher. Here I means who? The teacher. So the teacher says that he teach. Teach is in simple present tense. So with your subject he, what you get? You get teaches. What you get? You get teaches. What? English. So if a sentence is given in direct speech like this, the teacher says, I teach English. In indirect speech, it will be what? The teacher says that he teaches English. So I think you understood our rule number 1. So now let us take one more example. Let us take one more example. What is this? Rajan says, I am fine. Rajan says, I am fine. Clear? So here, what is your reporting verb? Your reporting verb is says. Your reporting verb is says. That means it is in simple present tense. What is your rule number 1? Your rule number 1 says that if the tense of the reporting verb is either in present tense or in future tense, then the tense of the direct speech is need not to be changed. Clear? So, what would be the answer? Rajan. What would be the answer? Rajan says. Rajan says. What connecting word you have to add? That. Because I am fine is an assertive sentence. That who is I here? Rajan. So he is fine. Clear? So shall we go for another example? This is your next example. What is this? I have said. I have said. I am doing my homework. Listen. I have said. What is the reporting verb? The reporting verb is have said. That means it is in what tense? Present perfect tense. It is in what tense? Present perfect tense. Because it is in present perfect tense, because it is in present perfect tense, you need not to change the tense of the reported speech. So what would be your answer? I have said I am doing my homework. This is an assertive sentence. So what connecting word you have to add? That. I means I only. So what you have to write? I am doing my homework. Clear? So next sentence. So what is your next sentence? The teacher will say, boys are boys. The teacher will say, boys are always boys. So what is your reporting verb here? Will say. What is your reporting verb here? will say. Will say means what? It is in simple present, simple future. Will say means what? It is in simple future, because the given sentence is in simple future. You need not to change the tense of the reported speech. You need not to change the tense of the reported speech. Clear? So what would be the answer? The answer will be the teacher says. The teacher will say that the boys are always boys. The teacher will say that the boys are always boys. Clear? So now let us see next example. I will tell you, I don't like sweets. What is your next sentence? I tell you, I don't like sweets. I tell you, I don't like sweets. So here, what is your reporting verb? Tell. What is your reporting verb? Tell. Tell means what? V1 form of the verb. So the given reporting verb is in simple present tense. So you need not to change the tense of the reporting sentence. So what will be the answer? I tell you that I don't like sweets. Clear? So let us see one more example. Rakesh says, she has brought fame to her family. Rakesh says she has brought fame to her family. So what is your reporting verb here? Says. What is your reporting verb here? Says. So the given sentence is in present tense, simple present tense. So you need not to change the tense of the what? Reporting speech. So what will be the answer? Rajesh says that she has brought fame to her family. To her family. Understood? So shall we go for another example? Yes. Rohit has said, I cannot displease my friend. What is your next sentence? Rohit has said. What is the tense of the reporting verb? Has said means what? Present perfect. Present perfect means what? Still it is in present tense only. So you need not to change the tense of the reporting speech. So what will be the answer? Rohit has said that. I means who here? Rohit. That means he cannot displease. My means who? His friend. Clear? So I think you understood today's lesson. Tomorrow again I come up with a new lesson. Till then, have a nice day and thank you for watching. And if you like my lesson, do not forget to subscribe to my channel General English all for competitive examinations and have a nice day.